Welcome back to Business 101. I'm your host, Victor, and today we're not just talking about white label, ODM, and OEM. We're walking through how you would actually start all three, and more importantly, where you would go to make it happen. Same factory, same hum in the air, but this time, you're the one giving orders. Let's start with the fastest lane, white label. If you wanted to launch a product using white label, your first move is to find a supplier that already makes what you want. Most people do this through large supplier marketplaces like Alibaba, Fair, or even domestic wholesalers, depending on your country. You can also find suppliers by searching for manufacturers directly or attending trade shows. Step 1. Browse supplier catalogs and pick a product that already exists. Step 2. Contact the supplier and ask about branding options, logo printing, packaging, labeling. Step 3. Order samples first. This is critical. What you see online isn't always what shows up. Step 4. Place your minimum order and launch. White label is all about speed. You're stepping into an already moving train and putting your name on the side. Now let's shift into ODM, or Original Design Manufacturer. Here's where things get more involved. You're still using platforms like Alibaba or sourcing agents, but now you're specifically looking for manufacturers that offer customization options. Step 1. Choose a base product from a supplier. Step 2. Ask what can be customized. This might include materials, colors, ingredients, sizing, or features depending on the product. Step 3. Work with the supplier to develop samples. This can take multiple rounds. This is where your product starts becoming yours. Step 4. Once finalized, move into production. ODM is like modifying a blueprint. The structure exists, but now you're reshaping it to fit your brand. Finally, we step into OEM territory. This is where you build something from scratch and where your approach changes completely. You're not just browsing marketplaces anymore. You might still use platforms like Alibaba to find factories, but often you'll also look for specialized manufacturers, product development firms, or sourcing agents who can connect you with the right factory. Step 1. Start with a clear idea. Sketches, references, or even rough prototypes help. Step 2. Find a manufacturer capable of custom development. Not all factories do OEM, so this step takes research. Step 3. Enter development. This includes design, engineering, testing, and revisions. Expect multiple iterations. Step 4. Finalize your product and move into production. OEM is the longest road, but it gives you full control. You're not choosing from a menu, you're writing it. Now, if we zoom out, here's the real-world breakdown. White label, found on supplier marketplaces. Fast, simple, low customization. ODM, found through the same channels but with more back and forth and sampling. OEM requires deeper sourcing, communication, and development, but offers full originality. And no matter which path you choose, 3 rules always apply. Always order samples, always communicate clearly with suppliers, always expect the first version to need improvement. That's it for today's episode of Business 101. Now, when you think about launching a product, you're not just asking what is white label, ODM, or OEM. You're asking where do I go and how do I start? Until next time, stay building.